What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Seng Index futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So the last time I looked at HSI was last week Sunday, so let's take a look at what happened since then. So I was looking at Friday's close. Price did continue higher, which is a nice sign. We got above the 18,281 level. We did find support there because it was prior support in the past. Price continued higher, but look at the bulls were not that strong, and price started immediately selling off. So again, it needed to find support and maintain support above this level, but you can see it clearly just broke. So again, this is invalidated again. We're probably not going to be seeing higher prices as right now. Most likely we're going to be seeing lower prices. So where is it trying to go? Well, it's trying to reach the measure move target lower. So what two targets do I have? At the 17,413, excuse me, and also the 16,915. Those are my two targets that I have. So where did I get that from? This is one leg down right here. And since we saw two legs up, that marks the center of the pattern for another leg down. Price practically reached it back over here in August 2022, but again, it wasn't perfect, so price can continue to trend down lower. And also it's trying to reach the lower target right over here that price has been trying to obtain since basically April of this year. So this is the second leg down from all the way up here. So again, it's trying to reach this below $17,000 level, and it's not going to try forever, right? But this is the second attempt of the second attempt. So let me explain that. So we saw the impulse down. This was the first attempt to reach that target, and this was the second attempt to reach that target, and it failed to reach the target. So that could have led to a massive rally higher. However, the bulls showed that they were not that strong because look at the pushes up that they created. It was not really showing signs of strength. So if they don't show signs of strength and they just kind of give up, then the measure move target is still on. It's still game on for the bears. So now you can look at it as one attempt down and price corrected higher for the second attempt. And the second attempt is sometimes two attempts itself. So this is the first attempt of the second attempt, price pullback. This is the second attempt of the second attempt. So basically, I would say, you know, in my opinion, the downtrend is coming to an end. It looks like the bears are struggling to reach the measure move target. Even if they do reach it, you know, they're struggling to reach it. And we can see a massive rally occur. So anytime now, we probably could see a massive reversal from right over here, or we reach the target lower. So again, this measure move target could fail, and I need to see price get back above this 18,290 level, and then there's a good chance that this time, than the previous time, this will probably continue higher because it's showing that the bears are trying several times to reach the measure move target lower and they're failing. So this time the bulls will probably have a much better chance of pushing up the price. However, as of right now, the measure move target lower is in play. The first one at the 17,400 and the next one at the 16,900. Those two targets are definitely still in play. All I'm saying is that this is, you could say, the end game for the bears of reaching the target. They've been trying multiple times. So even if they do reach it, there's a good chance that we could see a nice bounce up, maybe even the start of another rally. But it'll be even bullish, more bullish, if price doesn't reach it and we just start reversing right now. I don't see that occurring right now. In the short term, it is definitely bearish. In the long term, it is working its way down. But all I'm saying is that right over here could lead to, you know, the move up that everyone is expecting for the Seng Index. So that's what I'm looking at HSI as right now. Clearly, it's bearish in the downturn, in the short term, and even the long term, meaning the next couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, it's going to probably reach this target. However, measure move targets aren't always reached, and that's the point I'm trying to get at, is that, you know, if the target is not reached, this is the time that it will probably lead to a massive rally more than any other time previously. So these two rallies before weren't that strong, but I think right now, if we do see one of those rallies, it will probably be much larger than the previous ones. So that's what I'm trying to get at. In the short term, it's working lower to the measure move targets, but once these targets are reached, or if not reached, I think we could probably see a bigger rally than any other time. But until then, I'll be bearish. I think we're going to be seeing these targets being reached, and then we'll have to analyze if we have found a support or not. So here's the weekly chart, and why have we even been going down? Because this downward channel is, you know, having a strong force to it more than this upward channel. So again, you have to see who is stronger in the market. Clearly, the bears dropped the price a significant amount, and the bulls rallied the price a decent amount also. So then the correction after would tell me who is stronger. So before it was kind of neutral, kind of in the bears' favor, then kind of in the bulls' favor. So that's why we had this kind of sideways consolidation pattern from about April or March up until July. Now it's showing that the bears are clearly dominating the chart. You know, we're making lower lows, lower highs, and we're below the EMA. So we could probably even draw a downward trend line. So again, the bulls are, you know, able to push up the price if we finish this correction down lower. And once we do that, price would need to break this EMA up and this trend line. So again, if price reaches this target or not reaches the target, I think we can see a massive rally up. It would need to break this trend line. It needs to break above the EMA and get it back above the $18,300 support. So if you can do that, I think we're going to probably see another massive leg up for HSI and probably other Chinese stocks. Until then, price is going to continue working its way down towards the measure move targets. And again, if we don't see that rally occur that I'm expecting, then it might come back down to this low right over here at the 14,748. Because again, this is still overall a downtrend, and price is pulling, this downtrend is pulling price towards the lows. So that's how I'm looking at the HSI. It's in a position to continue up higher, but if it doesn't, then obviously, you know, it's still bearish. We're below the EMA on the weekly chart. We're below this trend line, and we're also below support. That's turning into resistance right now, actually, at the 18,000, you know, the low $18,000 levels. So that's how I'm looking at the HSI. Basically, I'm bearish until I see that strong move up that possibly can occur by the bulls. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.